guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an autumn themed thrift haul. Now you guys know I love my charity shops and my thrift shops, and I kind of wanted to theme this one at the start of the season a bit more like orangey brownies and mustard and just have a bit of fun with the season. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll start off with what I'm wearing though. So these trousers I thrifted quite a while ago, but I'll link the haul down below. They're just like these wide leg kind of white, almost like linen-y, like slightly denim-y. They're like really thick linen, but they're gorgeous and they were brand new when I got them. And then I also found this belt recently in a charity shop. I might have shown you, I might not have, but I think it was like £1 or £2, but it's real leather and it's white leather, and I like playing around with whites, but obviously it can go very wrong, and these are different shades of white, but I kind of think it works. It almost looks like a jumpsuit kind of vibe. I don't know, I like it. But the top isn't thrifted. I got this from H&M years ago, but they kind of have a basic collection that just continues year after year, so I'm sure you could find something similar. That being said, let's get to the video. I'll start with the jackety items. Now this one's kind of more of a cardigan type thing, and this is the most expensive thing I bought out of everything. So I got this for £5.99 from my local charity shop, and it's a size small Zara, and I just fell in love. It's like a suede. Like, it's not real suede, but it's like a faux suede, but it's just, the quality of the fabric is absolutely phenomenal. I just love it. And I've been trying to style it since I've got it, and it's actually not the easiest thing to style. But I had to play around this morning, and I think this outfit actually looks quite good with it. So I think having like a wide leg trouser and like having the whites and the creams, it just works with the orange. Because I want to avoid it looking like a dressing gown. That's kind of my worry. But I think dressed like this, I think it works. Like, this is the main pop of colour. I need to maybe get myself some orange boots. I'm wearing them with like brown and black ones at the moment, but I'm not feeling the vibe. But the actual outfit, love it. So this jacket was such a steal. It has pockets. I need to take the label out there. I never understand why they do that. Like, that's such an obvious label, but easy enough. And yeah, I thought for £5, I just couldn't leave it. I absolutely fell in love with it. And it's got like a really nice kind of collar to it, but I personally find that a lot of winter coats also look like dressing gowns, so that's why it kind of gives me that vibe. But I think I can style it right, because I want it to be a smart jacket, like I can wear to the office kind of thing. Yeah, I kind of love it. So that's that one, which I will work out how to wear it. I love it too much. And then I also found very, very recently actually this gorgeous M&S jacket. So it's a size 8, and it's like this mustard colour, and it's kind of like a trench coat style, because it's not overly thick, but it's perfect for this like transitional weather, where it's not, like, you can see the sun in my house at the moment. It's gorgeous weather, but it's just a bit fresh to not have a jacket on. And I think this sort of style jacket is like perfect to counter that. So it just looks like this, and it's such a perfect fit. Like, I am in love with this piece. And for £2, I couldn't believe it. Like, I know I find a lot of items for £1, but to find like winter coats and autumnal like jackets for so little, it's just amazing for me. So it just looks like that. And this one does have pockets, but they're like in the front, so I probably wouldn't use them. So it just looks like that. Like, how gorgeous is that coat? I just love it. It's like just a perfect extra layer, and it just brings a bit of colour to my winter wardrobe, so I just couldn't believe it when I found it. Love it. So now I'm going to jump onto like the jumpers and tops. Next set of items, it's all kind of jeans and tops, and I did rather well with it all. So the first thing I got is this gorgeous kind of cropped knit jumper. Now this is originally a Miss Selfridge, and I just loved the knit on it, and it's so crisp white, and it was only £1, so I thought for that I just had to give it a go. And then I did get 2 pairs of kind of, they're very not autumnal colours, but I think I can style them really nice for autumn. So they're like these oatmeal jeans here, which are originally, what are you? I have no idea what brand they are originally. They might be brandless. Are you brandless? They just fit really, really nice regardless. I think they are tagless. And then I also picked up these snakeskin River Island ones. Now these ones were a size 6, but they're brand spanking new. And these ones cost me £2. These ones cost me £1. And I thought for those prices, just got to give them a go. And I think this, the snakeskin one, like under jumpers, they don't look too tight. So I can kind of just undo the top button and no one will know. So I picked up those, which, I mean, they're just perfect. And then quite a lot of tops. So sticking with the orangey autumnal theme, I got this gorgeous turtleneck. It's kind of just like a really fine knit, and it's almost a little bit metallic, and I just loved the fabric. Again, this one has no brand, but it only cost me £1, and it looks my size. I feel like with this style top, whether it's a size 6 or a size 14, they kind of fit the same, so they're pretty good. Then I also found this brown turtleneck, very similar to the one you just saw, but a kind of darker version, non-metallic. Now this one I think does have a brand. It's a M&Co extra small. So I just loved the colour of this one, and I thought styled under my coats with nice brown boots, perfect. Then I got this really fun turtleneck. This one is this is a Topshop size 6. But I just fell in love with it. It's kind of like brown and orange. It's like a mottled effect, and it's very much ribbed. So I thought this styled with like some skirts and jeans, again with boots and coats. It's just perfect for autumn. So I did very well with my turtlenecks. And then the last top I got, which is the one I'll start with, is this gorgeous like mesh tie shirt. Now I've never heard of this brand before. It's called like Shacock, something like that. And I think it's size 1, I guess that's US sizing. And it's just like this little tie crop top, but look at the fabric. So it is mesh, but the colours, I love red, green, white and black, like it's just all my colours. So I think this is going to be like such a fun piece to style, so I'll throw it on for you now. So this is how it looks, and I mean for £1 it is such a steal. I love the sleeves on it, I just love everything about it. So it's just kind of, you turn it into like a V-neck kind of crisscross top, and I just think it's so gorgeous to wear with high-waisted trousers, and it's just so unusual. I just think it's really, really fun, and the colours are just so me, so I had to have this one, and it's so stretchy. I just love it. Like, look how unusual that is. Like, it's just a really fun piece to style, so yeah, I just couldn't help myself. This is how the gorgeous orange turtleneck looks. Now I hope you guys can actually pick up on how sparkly this is, because the fabric is just gorgeous, and it doesn't have a size or a brand, but I think it fits really, really nice. And I love it actually with these wide leg white trousers, but I think this sort of style, like wearing it with like nice white pieces, it just really like brightens up like winter and autumn. So I just love it so much, and I quite like it around my waist because it's a really nice fitting turtleneck. I think it actually hugs kind of the body really nice. So this was a steal for £1. Like, I absolutely love this one. So I've changed into a different pair of jeans and one of the other tops. Now the top is gorgeous, like it's my perfect colour. It has like these little puff sleeves. I think they're like minor enough for them not to bother me, but I'm not really one of those kind of like puff sleeves kind of gals, but I think it kind of works. Now the jeans are amazing. I still don't know what brand they are to tell you guys, but they're like high-waisted. They sit literally around my belly button. Like, they are a perfect fit. They're not too tight or loose anywhere. They've got stretch in them so I can literally move. They're just gorgeous. They're a little bit short for me, but I kind of make it work. I think they have like a distressed bottom to them, so I don't think I'd wear them with boots like this. I'd probably wear them with like knee-high boots and just like tuck in the bottom of them, because they fit just my thighs and waist too nice not to just rock them. I think they're just too fun. But the top itself, amazing as well. Like, I think the colour of it is just awesome. And look, this is what I mean by I have really long arms. Like, my tops and jackets never come to the end of my arms, and it's really funny. Like, I don't think I look abnormally lanky. It's just like, cool, we'll just have short sleeves and short legs on everything. That is fine by me. But yeah, love this one. Gosh, I am just really loving turtlenecks right now. Like, I know they're all very similar colours, but they just transform an outfit, and they're so easy to wear. And in like autumn and winter, I think having like something around your neck as well, like I just think they're a really practical, stylish option. And I really love the colour of this one. Like, I think the tones in it are beautiful. I like that it's not all just like one colour. I think it kind of breaks it up a little bit, but no, it just fits beautifully. I love that it's just like, it's got oranges, yellows, it's going to go with all my kind of coats. I'm loving it. Imagine this with that mustard coat. I'm going to try it. Now this is definitely a look. This entire outfit cost me £4. £2 for the jacket, £1 for the top, £1 for the jeans. Just what an absolute bargain. And I think the coat really draws out the kind of mustard in the top. I think that's such a nice look for when it's kind of not like really, really cold out. It's just like a little bit chilly. This is what I'm going to be wearing. Like, this is going to be my outfit choice of the week for sure. Like, I think this is just so easy to wear, so I love it. Now, I don't think this jumper goes with the jeans, but just like as winter jeans, I think these will be perfect. As summer jeans, maybe not, because they are a little bit on the small side for me, I think if I wore them with crop tops, they almost like pinch in just a little bit, and I think that's not like a flattering look for me. Like, it's a typical example of, you know, when you actually get the right size, things look better than when you try and squidge into the wrong size. But they were only £2, so, you know, it swings and roundabouts. But I think they might stretch a bit, like they actually fit my butt really nice, which is like a miracle. They're just a tiny bit tight right at the top. But I think if I wear them with like jumpers that just cover the top button, I can then always like open the top button. And then this is the top. Now, I do really like it, but I'm also like, might just not be my style. There's something about it, it almost just gives me like a too small vibe. Like, I feel like this outfit just looks like I've gone for something too small or too tight. But I think like maybe as individual pieces I can work them, and I'm pretty sure someone gave this to the charity shop because the seam is undoing on the sleeve here. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, I'm not exactly scared of a sewing project, so I can easily fix that. But yes, that's this look. Now the next thing and last outfit I'm going to show you guys is this kind of dungarees set. So it's this burgundy corduroy, which is, this is like my favourite colour ever. I love like burgundy. And I picked it up, so this is a size 8 from Miss Selfridge. So that was £1. And then I picked up this 50p girls top. So this is for age 12 to 13, but I normally get away with that. So as long as it's for like a 13-year-old, I can fit into it, mainly with tops, not trousers. And it's just like this burgundy, like cute little autumny vibe top. So I thought that underneath is going to be a look. Let's see if my vision is actually a smart one. So both pieces fit, but I think my vision was a little bit of a too similar of colour vision. So personally, I don't actually like it being burgundy under burgundy, like they're the exact same colour. And the top has buttons on it, and then so does the kind of pinafore dress. So part of me is like, it needs a contrast or something, but the actual like corduroy dress I think fits quite nicely. It's not like a really like snug fit, or I don't know, it's just a very relaxed fit. I think I can style it so it's cute. But normally I wear things that are a little bit tighter to my waist, so this one is a little bit on the loose side. But I think if the top underneath was like a black or a cream, I think it'll work really well. But the top itself, I can show you, is a really nice fit. Like, I think with high-waisted jeans or a different colour outfit, it'll be really cute. Like, for 50p, it was just kind of a really easy to throw on, just long sleeve, like slightly ribbed top. I just thought it would be a nice staple, so yeah. No, I thought I'd give it a go, but not quite the outfit vision I had in mind, but definitely not a bad one. But anyway, that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed the haul. I did quite well this time, as usual, but yeah, please like and subscribe if you did. I'll also link my social media down below if you'd like to follow me on there, as I do have another channel if you want to check that out, which is all things to do with geology and rocks and fossils, because that's the other passion of mine. So do check that out if you would like to, but I hope you're all doing well, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.